This is your cooking doctor Kamal Mehta, and today I shall be making chicken, cheese and Milo. Now this is a dish which you can present for dinner, for snacks or any time that you want. So without wasting time, let's start our cooking. Now I have put this non-stick kadai on high flame and I will be adding 2 tablespoons oil to it and let this oil heat. This is 500 grams boneless chicken and I have cut it into small pieces, as you all can see, and now I will marinate it with, I have already washed it and now I have marinated it with half lime juice, and rest I will marinate it with 1 teaspoon haldi powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder and salt and pepper to taste. Now I shall marinate this chicken with all this. And keep it aside for 30 minutes. To it I will also add around 1 tablespoon thick curd. I have added thick curd to it and 2 tablespoon oil also has been added, and now I'll give it a quick mix and keep this mixture marinated for half an hour. Heated oil, I am adding my marinated chicken which I have marinated for 30 minutes and I shall add this to the pan. As you can see that I have added this and I have made it into small pieces. Now I'll lower the flame and I'll keep sauteing it. Now we shall leave it to this till it dries up and cooks, and it's not going to take very long since it is boneless chicken as well as it is marinated, so it's going to take about 15-20 minutes for the chicken to be done and totally dry up. Till the time our chicken is going to be done, we are going to make small omelets. So for that I have whisked 2 eggs just like we whisk for omelette, and I have put salt, pepper, red chili powder and turmeric. And now on this pan I have heated the oil, so I am making my omelettes. This is the shape and size of omelettes that we required. So now these small omelettes, we are going to make around 5-6 of them to make our envelopes. We can make it a little smaller than what I have made also. So you can put in 2 or 3 tablespoons and make small omelettes the size of your roti. The 7 mini omelettes that I have made out of the 2 eggs which I beat. Now our chicken is done and we have just used about 2 tablespoons oil, and see I could cut through the chicken and it's become dry also. I haven't added any water in it, as you could see. It was only the marination which had 1 tablespoon of curd in it, and this is how we will dry it up totally and keep it separate. Now as you can see, I have made a dough, soft dough of around 3 cups maida, that is flour and salt. Nothing else is put into it, just water is added and we make a dough just as we make a dough of puri, and we will cover it and keep it for 30 minutes as much time as your chicken is also going to get marinated, that is for 30 minutes. Now we'll start with our dough preparation, which I had showed you earlier. I had kept it for 30 minutes resting period. Now we will make rotis out of this. We will just take one ball and now we will roll it as we do our rotis. We are not going to make it very big nor very small. Now this is the size we require for making our envelopes. Once we've made this, we will apply little water all round it such that we can seal our envelope for the secret not to come out. Now from this roti, we will put one omelette in the middle like this, and we will put our chicken filling. We will put our chicken filling over it. This is how we will do it. And now on top of it, we will put cheese over it. Now this cheese you can put as much as you want to. I have just taken half a slice and I have put it. Now what we will do is we will pull this and cover it over it. We will take the second part and we will again cover it over it. In between we will give it a shape also. Now we will close our envelope. We have to be very gentle in this such that it does not tear or break from any other part, or else your filling will come out. Now this is how we have made our envelopes, and this is how we'll make the rest of it. And now I will show you to place this envelope very nicely on it and lower the flame and let it cook slowly on one side, then we turn it over to the other side. The dish is full of high protein. You have seen it has got chicken, it has got egg, it has got cheese, and there is very little of carbohydrate which is going to go into you. So it is a great dish for your children also, for you all also. And if you think it is too heavy, then you can exercise it out. My chicken cheese envelope ready to devour. It's a tried and tasty recipe, so do please try it, share, subscribe and like it.